This is the Trustpilot Help Center, the place to be if you want to learn how to use Trustpilot like a pro. Whether you're a reviewer or a business, you have the whole world of Trustpilot knowledge in one place. Find tips, FAQs, demos, and more. Everything from how to connect Trustpilot with other platforms to guidelines and rules for using Trustpilot ethically. All of it just a few clicks away in 8 languages. Searching for inspiration? Want to learn how to use Trustpilot following step-by-step guides? Just type your query into the search bar, and there you go, results from relevant resources across all Trustpilot channels. We have hundreds of articles illustrated with videos and pictures. We even have a dedicated video hub. All this in clear, easy-to-digest language, available on demand 24/7. This is the Trustpilot Help Center. Explore it anywhere, anytime, on any device.